What is style? I think it reflects your personality and how you feel in your clothes, and can be, I don't know, throughout fashion, throughout music, and yeah.
For being little, like 14, 15-year-olds, they all have pretty good style.
They all have a lot of personality too,
They do.
if you don't notice
All
that.
are very characters in their own.
Yes. Little comedians.
We got the funny kid over here and like all the little
Wait, so you don't like me? So we're going for it.
Yeah. You have a lot of personality.
So, Hans, what is style to you?
Style to me is just trying to be 100% yourself, and you don't need to follow. Maybe something else. I don't know.
I really like that. Just give me like so individuality is style, basically. Your fingerprint is your style. So be authentic to yourself is what you're saying.
I think, yeah, good style is being authentic to yourself and yeah, just living it, feeling it. Aloha!
Aloha!
I think a lot of people are more worried about fucking style than action, and then you get the opposite. Other people are more worried about action than style, but without action, it's kind of tough to have style. So I think you need to combine the both. Maybe 50-50, maybe a little more action than style, because fucking the action will bring the style, hopefully.
You're kind of known for your style though, right?
I don't know, I like having fun though. That's what counts more than all of it. Don't matter fucking what you're doing as long as you're having fun.
Girls from Sweden like to have everything that's casual and is comfortable at the same time.
How about you, Cal? What is your feelings about style?
Well, I'm from Sweden as well, and I think style should come pretty natural. I don't usually buy too expensive clothes, but just go to second-hand shops and see what you can find and just make it feel comfortable.